And here's yet another example of the Boondock series in real life. Here, see for yourself.
Get out of her face! Get out of her face! You can get out of the train or something! Get out of her face! Get out of her face!
So get another train. Take another train.
Bro, you hurting her right now, bro.
You will not be late for your work, even if it's true. Do not use the excuse, and do not use the touch her. Get off the train. Do not touch her. Get off the train. You mad? Get off the train. That's it.
Bro, they lynching us out here. They lynching us out here, bro. They lynching us out here, bro. They are lynching us out here, bro. They are.
What kind of clown world's that? They're screaming at him to not touch them, yet they're the ones touching him. And that one simp guy, he's screaming that they're getting lynched out here, bro. I highly doubt that.
I'm black. I understand. They lynching us out here, bro.
I understand, bro. I'm black, bro. Oh, I guess that's the whole case of he's skin folk, but he's not kinfolk.
You from my hood. Bro, niggas, you don't have to explain to niggas, my nigga. Fuck it. Don't explain to niggas, my nigga.
WTF and lol? What the hell? I can't even repeat what that guy uttered over and over. And what started all this insanity? Well, according to this article, a guy by the name of Jordan Neely was threatening passengers on a train, and then a former Marine subdued him, and this Neely guy died as a result. So in other words, these leftists are reeing, emphasis on reeing, and screaming for a guy who was threatening people on a train. Go figure. Now, if I was that guy trying to get off the train into that crowd of people, I wouldn't be wanting to get off the train into said crowd of people. Well, that's it for my little ramble. Take care.